We are here with, what's your name?
Daniel.
We are here in Brno, and it's a pleasure to deliver the first Moto Trainer in Brno. And so, Zed, tell us your experience about why you buy the simulator and how was the installation or express installation.
Okay. First we met in EICMA in Milan. We stopped by, we felt really excited and happy about the trainer. So yeah, we decided to buy it. The installation was really quick and fast, and we tried it with my colleagues. It's really good experience to ride a bike on track, and we'd like to give this experience to our customers. So.
Nice. So what is your idea? How you think to use the simulator into your amazing shop with many motorcycle items?
We like connect the buying of new stuff, so the customer can try it on a real track. So yeah, we'd like to give the customer this feeling.